Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Fosia. Okay, today I will present results draft thesis with the title Stimulating Students to Speak English Using Oral Game Group Discussion. Okay, thanks for the supervisors. The first Dr. Andi Mulyati MPD, and the second supervisor Muhammad Tahir SPD MPD MSD area. And then thank you for the examiners. The first Professor Dr. Baso Jabu M Hum, and the second Nurfitri S SPD MPD. Okay, the next chapter 4, findings and discussion. This chapter deals with the findings of the research and the discussion of the research of findings. It entirely covers the description of the result of the data analysis. In the discussion section, further explanation and interpretation of the findings are given. The first findings. The research took place for 6 meeting from February 25, 2022 until March 28, 2022 at SMA N2 Vanke. The research used the scribing picture method with the aims of improving student speaking. And then the researchers choose one class example. The researchers started by giving the free test and the given treatment. In the last, the researchers gave a post test to measure the student speaking improvement. In the treatment, the researchers showed one picture in each meeting. In the first and the second meetings, they discussed Kang Daniel description. In the third and fourth meetings, they discussed description of Monash National Monument. And then the student is asked to be able to match the adjective in the picture, mention of characteristic of the picture, and be able to describe the picture that has been provided. Okay, you can see the table. Free test scores. Student scores of free test were classified into 6 categories, which are excellent, very good, good, fairly good, poor, and a very poor scores. In the table, pre-test score classification out of known students got excellent scores, very good scores, good scores, fairly good scores, and poor scores. Furthermore, there was out 40 students or 100% got very poor scores. And then the next, you can see post-test scores of a student score for post-test were classified into 6 categories, which are excellent, very good, good, fairly good, poor, and very poor scores. And then in the table of post-test score classification, it showed that there were 1 students or 2,5% good excellent scores, 10 students or 25% got fairly good scores, 6 students or 2,25% got poor scores, and 20 students or 50% got very poor. From the two tables above, it can be concluded that the rate percentage of the post-test scores was higher than the percentage of the free-test scores. Okay, you can see a table, mean score and standard deviation. It can be concluded that there is an improve in a student score on the first test. The first test has earned a score of 58,89 and a standard deviation of 15.674, which is higher than the free test with an score of 25,83 and a standard deviation of 8.205. Okay, you can see the table student, the t-test of free test and a post test. And then to find out whether there is a significant difference between student scores in the free test and the post test, the researchers conduct a t-test or test of significance, where the level of significance is 0,05 in this case, when the result of the t-test are lower than the level of significance, which means that there is a difference in significance between students score and the free test and the post test. Okay, the next there were three elements of speaking that the research focus on. The first, accuracy; the second, fluency; and the last, comprehensibility. Okay, the first, student accuracy. Accuracy in speaking relates to correct sentence in pronunciation, grammar, or vocabulary that can be understood by listener without conventional grammar. And then in the free test, most of the students still made pronunciation errors, even for simple words. In addition, the lack of vocabulary is one of the variables that affect the student speaking accuracy. The major of students used Indonesian words to complete their long statement in the free test. For example, in the free test section, a student 22 got the very 4 category, but in the post test, it increased to the fairly good category. In the free test, student 22 said, "Hello, my name is Tiara Aulia, but you can call me Tiara," or "Hello, my name is Tiara Aulia, I country." Ada guidon, ada pistol, ada kitab, ada delman, ada berupa pajangan, mungkin hanya dari gambar. Meanwhile, in the first test session, student 22 said that for Rotterdam or for Ujung Pandan is her attacked by the kingdom. For is one of the famous tourist attraction in South Sulawesi, which is located in the Goa Makassar location. For Rotterdam is a place of history. I really like this place because we can learn history. And then, based on the previous session, the student speaking accuracy was classified as a very poor on the free test, and none of them were classified as for moderately good, good, very good, or excellent. Although no student were identified as very good, good, bad, or very bad in the post test. Some students were classified as very good, fairly good, bad, and very bad. The student speaking accuracy increases on the post test, which can be concluded. Okay, the second, student fluency. Fluency is an important role in influencing student speaking skill. In speaking, fluency refers to the ability to speak quickly, spontaneously, and without hesitation. However, in the free test, the researchers found that the student faced difficulties with fluency. They take long pauses just to find the right words to complete their sentence. For example, in the free text, student got the category very poor, but in the first test it increased to excellent. In the free test, student said number one I see LED of handphone, a smartphone, a big one. I think that it when will in the first test section students said that Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before talking about the topic that I will discuss, let me introduce myself. First, my name is Ridwan Saje. I'm years old. The topic they are talking is about Sule. Sule was born in Cimahi, was Java. He was born on the 5 November. His parents' name is Dodo Mulyana and Angkom Kumara. His career began to shine after successful winning the comedian audition competition TVI with the comedian group SSOs. Opera Van Java is one of the television shows which makes a lot of money for Sule. Sule is getting bigger day by day. He became one of the most expensive comedian in Indonesia with an income that can reach either 1 billion of every month. Sule currently has 4 sons, namely Rizky Febian, Rizwan Ferdinand, Asam Andriansa. He has one daughter named Putri Delina. Sule is identical with longish blonde hair, but when he comes to comedia, he usually wears a wig. It can be concluded that some students still have to work hard to find words. There are not many awards or poses like in the free test, and then most of the students try to finish their long sentence using English instead of Indonesian as in the free test. The frequency and present take level of student scores in the free test and the first test showed that the use of illustrative picture increases student fluency in speaking. Okay, the last student comprehensibility. Comprehensibility refers to the ability the speaker to understand the gist of what is being said and how understandable the speech of the speaker is. In the free test, most of the students ask about the question in the Indonesian language before they answer it because they did not understand about the meaning of the question itself. Therefore, the researchers had to explain the question first. When the students finally answer, they just answer it with a short answer. Produce a word one by one and with an completed sentence. For example, in the free test section, students 40 got the category very poor, but at the first test it increased to fairly good. In the free test, 40 students said, "I can see a tree, gun, a book, wagon, person. This is historical place." This sentence was unclear, but the researchers understood what the student to say. While in the first test section, student 40 said, "From the picture I can see that this is historical place. I can see a lot of people. See a very beautiful scenery. This place is a famous place in Makassar city. I really like this place because we can learn about ancient history. Thank you." Okay, it can be concluded that during the first session, after 7 treatment for 4 meetings, most of the students could understand the researcher's question, and then also they tried to make complete sentence to answer all these questions. Okay, the next error in speaking performance. The first grammar. Definition of grammar. Grammar is a set of structure or rules that govern the arrangement of sentence, of phrases, and words in any language. In this section, there are grammatical error. And then the second, pronunciation. Pronunciation is a way of pronouncing words in English. In this section, students make several pronunciation errors. The substitution of phonemes. For example, picture becomes picture. The second sample, ancient becomes Asian. Okay, the third, in this section, when the study are talking, they will definitely be aware of making mistakes, which is where they are likely to make correction for all mistakes, where in effect they do not always success. Okay, and then the last of vocabulary. Vocabulary is a collection of several words that are combined so that they have a meaning or meaning. Some students ask Indonesian to complete their sentence. Okay, the next, student improvement from pre-test to post-test. In this section, the researchers refers to the result of students' achievement in the pre-test and post-test, which have been discussed previously. Therefore, it is important for researchers to be able to find out the improvement of students because of the findings that it was found that after being given a treatment, student speaking skill using the describing picture method were much better than the pre-test. This increase in both pre-test and post-test will then be analyzed based on Gay, Mills, and Ireson as follows. Okay, the next suggestion. Based on the results of findings and the conclusion of the study, which found that the use of the describing picture method improves stimulating students to speak English using oral games group discussion. The researchers presented some suggestions for the English teacher and further researchers. The first, the writers suggest to a teacher for using describing picture strategy in a teaching and learning process. The role of the teacher is important to create the classroom situation to be active, and the use of a picture in a teaching English speaking is good to motivate the student in speaking English, to facilitate them to practice the skill, and to construct an interesting learning process of English speaking skill. And the next, this study, the second, this study is still far away from describing picture, whether the media, the time, the learning process, the sample, and the focus of describing picture strategy. The writer expected to the next writer to be able to cover the limitation of this study. Okay, the next you can see the table. In the pre-test, the researchers gave 1 point for accuracy because there is no evidence of student mastering and a language error occurs. The researchers gave 1 point for fluency because there is a long pause. A student like giving up, and a student as Indonesian. And then the researchers gave 1 point for comprehensibility because almost nothing can be understood. When researchers try to interrupt the speaker not clarifying. Okay. In the first test. While in the first test, the researchers gave 2 points for accuracy because of fake pronunciation causing communication disorders, and there are many language words or errors. And then the researchers gave 2 points for fluency because long stop the student faltered in conveying. There are some wrong pronunciation as the as the picture said should be the correct mention of the picture. Okay. The next, it concludes from the table, student form improvement from pre-test to post-test. It can be concluded that there are several categories such as excellent, very good, good, poor, and very poor. It can be seen that there is an increase in speaking students from the pre-test to post-test, even though there are some students who still ask Indonesian. From the table, researchers can see that the describing picture method can be used profitably. Okay, the next, chapter 5, conclusion and suggestion. In this chapter, it will be present the conclusion of this research and some suggestion for the teacher and further research. The first, conclusion. After going through the data analysis process, the researchers have found that the alternative hypothesis was accepted, meaning that describing picture in stimulating students to speak English using oral games, group discussion, resulted in improving students' speaking skill, which was marked by a significant increase in student score between pre-test and post-test. Based on the result above, it can be concluded that the describing picture method can enhance the student speaking ability in the classroom. Okay, the next, suggestion. Based on the research of findings and the conclusion of this study, which found that the use of describing picture method improves stimulating students to speak English using oral games, group discussion. The researchers presented some suggestions for the English teacher and further researchers. The first, the writers suggest to a teacher for using describing picture strategy in a teaching and learning process. The role of a teacher is important to create the classroom situation to be active, and the use of a picture in a teaching English speaking is a good to motivate the student in speaking English, to facilitate them to practice the skill, and to construct an interesting learning process of English speaking skill. And the next, this study. The second, this study is still far away from describing picture, whether the media, the time, the learning process, the sample, and the focus of describing picture strategy. The writer expected to the next writer to be able to cover the limitation of this study. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wallahi adhilal khair wal amanah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.